It is Tuesday, January 31st, and I'm sick. I'm pretty sure I ran a fever through the night, and I am super congested this morning, and my throat hurts so bad. So I'm going to listen to my body. I'm going to rest. So I'll catch up with you guys later in the week. Good morning, guys. It's Christina, the Geocache family. Welcome back to our channel. I am fighting gunk. I went down yesterday. Today is February 1st. I had plans. It is what it is. I'm going to try and muster the strength to make medium soil blocks for the poppies, because off of everything I was trying to get done this last few days, they are the ones that did not get completed. And so I went down the day before yesterday. Today is Wednesday, so Monday night I started not feeling so hot. We have no water in the main bathroom. We have no water in the kitchen, and we only have frigid ice water in the second bathroom. So I'm thankful we have water in at least one bathroom, but we have a sink full of dishes from 2 meals now where we have not been able to do dishes. I'm so frustrated. I'm just so frustrated. I can't take care of any of my animals in the house because we don't have water, at least not easily. You know, the big dog bowls I can't fill up. So frustrated. And it's cold, and I feel like doo-doo on top of it. Oh, such is life, right? So husband starts his part-time job today. The oldest is working right now, and the middle works later. And I'm really thankful I don't have our little daycare kiddo today, because it would have been completely on my son. So, no lofty goals today. I'm going to try and sweep the floor, and I may have to try and heat water on the stove to put into tubs to wash dishes in, because my sink is completely overflowing. So I don't know what we can do about it. Husband took the panels on the outside of the house out to see if he could put insulation in before we went into this winter, in the hopes of mitigating it being unusable for a couple weeks out of the winter time like last year. And he can't get to anything because of the windows. And so we are literally going to have to cut holes in the walls to try and get insulation in, because we can't keep doing this. This is so freaking hard. So anyway, that's my rant. I'm over it. I'm gonna go make a cup of tea, I think, to see if it will help my sore throat. And basically dishes and poppies. That's it for today. If I start feeling better in the afternoon, we'll see what happens. But anyway, I just wanted to touch bases. February 1st, not a whole heck of a lot is going to be happening. So I'll see you guys later. I'm in the second bathroom. Ice cold water, no hot. All right, kitchen, there's no water at all. Hot water heater is right there. Okay, so bathroom on the other side of that, I have cold but no hot. Here, nothing at all. Oh yeah, and then the shower down there did get hot, but not the sink. And then this one, no cold, but it does have hot. Like, so frustrating. Hey guys, it's Christina. Kitten chaos in the background. It is the 2nd of February, Thursday, and I'm feeling a little bit better today. I I came out to the greenhouse to replant the tulips that my bunnies dug up, the 2 rows of tulips. So I got them down and I need to get some water on them, but the kittens needed to play. They're out here playing with our garage cat Mouse. I am setting up their appointments to get fixed. I moved Pollux and the babies, which I need to come up with 2 more names. We named the dark one Shadow, but I need something that's more, we're trying to either go plant or celestial heavenly bodied themed. So I've got those 2 daughters in there that need names. So if you can think of anything, we have got Pollux is their mom. Her brother is Castor. They are sibling stars in the heavenlies. My 2 gray ones are Mercury and Venus. Venus is the longer haired one. Mercury is the shorter. Void is the black one. That's mom. And then we've got Gemini and Andromeda. They call her Andy for short. That one is my son's rabbit, and that was Willow. And then the baby was Aspen and Cedar. Cedar's a boy though, so he's not in here. And then who else is in here? The gray one with the white speckles is Hyperspace. And Thistle. So she went into the Aspen, Willow, and Cedar grouping. What are you doing, Bun Buns? Huh? We need to pull this black fabric off at the top here and move it up to the front. I did grab the, I had a few more bulbs that I did not get planted yet, along with the garlic, which stinks horribly. So I need to get them in the ground, and I only had 1 partial bag of soil left. Actually, I have 2 over there, but they're frozen solid. And I need to be able to get the bulbs down. Oh yeah, they're just rocks. Dang it. And of course, it's too cold outside, so it's not going to defrost. I don't know if I should just go and put them in pots or just go ahead and plant them. Oh, dang it. I think they're bad. That one's mush. Those guys feel okay. Looks like the hyacinths are mush. Gosh dang it. Yeah, I cannot store anything in these greenhouses. Like, it does not feel humid in here at all. I mean, I see no moisture. The soil is so dry, but it must be enough. Oh, that's so sad. Dang it. See, this is why I'm like telling myself I'm not allowed to buy anything else, because I get it when it's a smoking deal, but then I'm not ready for it, and then it goes bad. And it's such a waste of money. I'm not doing it this year. All right. I went to Bible study this morning. I was up with the childling when it got dropped off for childcare today. I drove the middle child to work. I went and visited my mom. I planted tulips. I moved bunnies. I think that's it. I have No energy left. I am so freaking tired and not breathing well today, so I gotta take it slow, I guess. Are you watching that kitty cat? He's a good girl. Huh? He's a good girl. We need to get this cage moved, but of course, when I was ready to do it, I ended up getting sick. I don't know if it's sickness or if it's allergies. I keep going back and forth. I actually took some Flonase this morning, and it actually did make me feel better. Alright, so Friday, February 3rd, I had another really rough night. Hold on. I had a really rough night breathing, so I didn't sleep good. Big dog threw up several times, so she had a rough night. And then I woke up to feed my birds, and this one was hiding in the food dish, and its eyes completely closed. It's getting beat up no matter where I stick it. So I'm running some saline in it, and I'm just going to put him in a cage by himself because I'm tired of him getting picked on. He doesn't deserve it. So the younglings are up in the garage looking for the other cage. That's the start of my morning. How's yours? They plucked all of his little head feathers. I think I did get his eye open. It's still swollen, but anyway, I set him up in his own cage now. I'm going to put him up on the top so he'll be warm. He's got a little owie on his wing. They just got him so picked over. I don't know, for whatever reason, they just like attacking this little guy. I think this is the most frustrating part about having animals is the dynamics. Man, they've always picked on the white ones, and he's the last one. Well, he won't have to worry anymore. Huh, buddy? Ryland's cleaning out the bottom so we can put a tray under him. Yeah, it's okay, buddy. Yeah, you've got a whole cage to yourself now. You don't even have to share. Alright, now if I can just get him to calm down and he starts using his perches and feeling free again. Oh, sorry. There you go, buddy. At least he's up warmer too. Quite as drafty up where he is. I just picked the eldest up from work, and now I am out here getting the ranunculi so that the ones that we planted last year, I can soak them. And then I want to try and see if I can get any of these seeds to grow. I'm just curious. I gotta get all this dirt off of them.
They'll tolerate it because it's cold out.
Oh, baby. That's progress for you. You would not let us even put anything on you as a puppy. She's like, I don't feel good. I puked 3 times last night. Huh. Hazy Marie.
Stinky thing.
Hazy Marie. Hey, are you going to lay down? You get by Naya? I'm going to climb on Naya. Lay down. Aww. Aww. Why is that so freaking adorable?
That's really cute.
I'm squeaking. We need to go check ducks. We're finally caught up from frozen pipes in a mountain of dishes. Did you guys notice anything about the bathroom? There's no longer a duck in there. We tried putting her outside with our 14-year-old Peking Duncan, who had a swelled eye the other day. So we're going to go check and see how they did. All right. Man, as soon as I come out, I start coughing. Owen, what are you doing? Huh? What you doing, buddy? Whoa. Well, hi. That worked pretty good.
Water's still frozen.
Yeah. Hi, you guys want to come get some sunshine? Huh? Yeah. How did it go last night? Yeah. You look happy to just be with another duck. Huh? Yeah, you wiggling? Hey, donkey. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What do you think? We definitely got to figure out how to get your food. Get your food. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
We made it a little bit tighter.
Just a little bit, because then it's making her, practice trying to stand again without her fully being on her back. All right, calm down. Just eat breakfast with your sister. There you go. Oh, you just broke it. Good job. Talk to her, donkey. Talk to her. Good girl. Oh, come on. Good job. Oh. That's my only concern, is if she gets twisted around one of those sides, then she can't get to her food and water. I think if she's out here and able to move more, she might get some strength back. But being in a bathtub for 3 months? Mm-hmm. Is that how long it's been now? At least 3 months. And Duncan doesn't move very much either, just because she's so old. Huh, you old lady? Yeah. They're a good pair. Our two disabled ones. I'm obviously back in the house. I cannot stay outside in the cold for very long without going into a massive coughing fit. So feeling better, definitely not great. So I thought I would share my seeds that I bought from Sunflower Selections. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I have dreamed of a field of sunflowers. There was a lot when we would drive into our old neighborhood that used to have an old farmhouse on it. It was a beautiful farmhouse. I dreamed of owning that farmhouse. And they actually ended up adopting one of my very first ducks. I had duck, and goose. I think it was Goose got attacked and killed by a fox in our neighborhood, which I had no idea that being in an urban setting, we still get foxes and skunks and raccoons and, things that would come in and kill your birds. And we didn't want to get any more ducks. And so this farmhouse took Duck for me. The people eventually moved away, and they actually tore down the farmhouse, and then it was just an open field. And every year you would see wild sunflowers start coming up, and I would get so excited because it is a huge, massive field, and I just could not wait to see these sunflowers. And just as the heads started coming up and start getting color, they would come in and they would mow it down. Every year. It made me so sad. And so I have dreamed of having a field of sunflowers. And so this year, one of the investments we made was to get some sunflowers in the hopes that maybe I can sell some of them, and maybe some photographers will want to come and take some picture opportunities, and mostly just for my heart to be able to enjoy one of my dreams coming true. These sunflowers have always been my favorite flowers, and I am so stinking excited to be able to do this. And we did order a Earthway seed spreader that I will put together, and I will show you guys when I have a little bit more strength. I'm hoping maybe even by tonight. After I lay down, I think if I can take a nap, I took my inhaler, and I think if I can just get some sleep, I will feel better. But hopefully the Earthway will help me get a whole bunch of sunflowers planted, and we just have a house filled with them. I cannot wait. I'm so excited about this. These are the varieties that I got. I actually showed considerable restraint this year, even though this is my favorite flower. But anyway, I'll throw the pictures up so you can see what they look like. Very happy with this company so far. They filled the order very quickly. I love that the bags are like a foil, and that it zips up. So after I tear the strip off, if I don't use all 500 of the seeds, then they will stay moisture proof. So this is my first one. This is Black Beauty. This is probably one of my favorite colors right here. And I got 500 of each one. They averaged about $12 a pack, if I remember right. This one is Apricot Daisy. This one is Pro-Cut Brilliance. Pro-Cut Peach. Pro-Cut Orange. Terracotta. Feed the Birds and the Bees. Sunflower Purple. Pro-Cut White Knight. Starburst Green Burst. This one and the purple, you harvest these guys when they don't have a lot of color on them, and they're more of a textural sunflower and not so much the focal flower. And then this one is the Salt and Roast. So these are supposed to be the ones that are good for eating, of course. And then they do send you this awesome magnet, which I will totally put on my door or on the refrigerator, because look, my favorite is flowers. Oh. So very impressed with this company thus far. I follow Nicole from Flower Hill Farm, and she was the one that turned me onto this company because she also grows a lot of sunflowers. If you don't know, the Pro-Cuts are ones that are supposed to be pollenless, so that when you are cutting bouquets and people put these in their kitchens and on their counters, they won't get a ton of pollen everywhere. So these guys, of course, will not reproduce. So those ones you have to order every year. The rest of them I can save seeds for. I am so excited about these sunflowers, because that dream of having that sunflower field is going to be a reality this year, and I am so excited about that. Oh my gosh, there's not going to be any cutting them down this year. I get to enjoy them and watch the birds enjoy them, and probably the bunnies. This was an investment. It wasn't a ridiculous investment. It was $147, which is not bad. Everybody is about $12. Starburst Green Burst was $13.50, and the Sunflower Purple was $14. And those are the ones that were more textural and you harvest them early. And then the other one that was expensive was the terracotta, which was 18, and the Pro Cut White Knight, which was 17. Black Beauty was 14. And then the rest were 12. So, not horrible. We'll see how this goes. And I'm excited. I'm so excited. Naya is making me a smoothie. And then I'm going to take a nap. I'm so tired. I was coughing all night long. I don't know if this is just allergies and asthma, or if I have a cold, or if it's a combination of both. I don't know. But I'm definitely not feeling up to snuff yet. So I'm gonna enjoy my nap.